Hi guys, welcome back to English Worms. So today we are going to discuss about the current affairs GK about 9th November 2021. So in this video again we will discuss 5 current affairs with explanation. I am Vikas sir, I am welcoming you all. So let us start. So this is the first question. Which organization released a report titled Sustainable Urban Cooling Handbook? Options are UNEP, FAO, Niti Aayog, NABARD. The question again is, which organization released a report titled Sustainable Urban Cooling Handbook? Again the options are UNEP, FAO, Niti Aayog, NABARD. The right answer is option A, that is UNEP. So its full form is United Nations Environment Program. So in explanation, UNEP released a new report titled Sustainable Urban Cooling Handbook. As per the report, cities will be the hotspots as global warming continues uncontrolled. Overheated cities will face climate change costs twice those of rest of the world because of the urban heat island effect. The report is based on an analysis of the world's 1692 largest cities. So this is the question number 2. As of November 2021, how many countries are part of the Powering Past Coal Alliance PPCA? Options are 8, 18, 48, 88. The right answer is 48. So 48 numbers of countries. Number of countries are part of Power Past Coal Alliance. So Powering Past Coal Alliance PPCA is an international alliance dedicated to phasing out coal. 28 countries have recently joined the alliance at the COP summit. This addition brings the total number of national governments involved to 48. The new members of PPCA include Ukraine, Poland, and Singapore. However, China, India, and the United States, the three biggest burners of coal worldwide, have not joined the PPCA. So, this is question number 3. In Tangier, Heliothropis o'Neilly, a recently discovered species, is a dash. Is what? In Tangier, Heliothropis o'Neilly, a recently discovered species, is a dash. Bird, fish, snake, spider. The right answer is bird. It is a bird, recently discovered bird. Explanation is, the newly discovered species named the Inti Tangier, that is Heliotropis o'Neilly, belong to the large family of Tropidae, which includes more than 370 songbird species. The birds are restricted almost entirely to the American tropics. This particular bird inhabits the Yungas bioregion of Bolivia and Peru. It is the second largest family of birds with about 4% of all birds and 12% of the neotropical birds. So this is question number 4. Which organization has launched a smart anti-airfield weapon along with Indian Air Force? Options are ISRO, DRDO, WEL, HAL. Which organization has launched a smart anti-airfield weapon along with Indian Air Force? The right answer is DRDO. So DRDO, here's the explanation. The Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, and Indian Air Force IAF have jointly carried out 2 flight tests of the indigenously developed smart anti-airfield weapon. The weapon was launched by an IAF aircraft from Chandan Ranges at Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, as per Defense Ministry statement. The system is designed for a maximum range of 100 kilometers, and in both the tests, the intended target was hit with high accuracy. Here is the last question of the day. Matalapi, a traditional plant which is found to rival ibuprofen is seen in which country? Matalafi, a traditional plant which is found to rival ibuprofen, is seen in which country? Options are Thailand, Samoa, Singapore, China. The right answer is Samoa. So it is seen in Samoa, the country named Samoa. As per a new research, a plant in Samoa, country in Oceania, called Matalafi could be as potent as ibuprofen. The Samoan plant was traditionally used to treat fevers, body aches, and ghost sickness. As per the study, it could rival ibuprofen for its anti-inflammatory properties. Matalafi is a small tree with red berries, also known as Psychotria insularum. It grows along the coast and in the forest of Samoa. Samoa is a country in Oceania. I want everyone to comment what are the countries belong to Oceania and what is the capital of Samoa country. Please write it in the comment box. So this was the question of the day that was asked in my last video, that was on 7-8 November 2021. So the question was, a Lok Sabha speaker addresses his or her resignation to whom among the following? The options were Deputy Speaker, President, Prime Minister, Law Ministry. So the right answer is Deputy Speaker. So a Lok Sabha speaker addresses his or her resignation to the Deputy Speaker. So now this is the time for the question of the day. So for today I will ask this question and you will answer in the comment box. The question is, Ryder Cup is related to which sports? Options are polo, golf, tennis, badminton. So answer it in the comment box. I'll give heart or mention it in the comment box as well. So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Thank you.